There is a tool available on Discord that makes face swapping incredibly simple. It only takes 2 clicks and few seconds, and it's completely free. This tool works for all sorts of images, whether they are from Midjourney, Blue Willow, Leonardo or anywhere else. It can match expressions, angles, lighting and styles. I have been really impressed by how well it works. However, before we dive into the video, I would like to show you some images that were created using this tool. This way you can determine whether this tool would be beneficial for your needs or not. Here is a photo of mine and I uploaded it to the FaceSwap tool. I commanded the tool to replace my face in all these images. Let's take a look at how it turned out. Now here is another example. I downloaded a photo of the Hollywood actress Amy Rossum for this tutorial purpose. This is her photo. I then uploaded it to the FaceSwap tool and once again instructed it to replace her face with the faces in all these images. Once more, let's examine how it turned out. In this video, I'm about to unleash a bunch of tricks that will make you look like a face swapping magician. If these tricks leave you grinning like a Cheshire cat, don't forget to drop a like button, a little love tab. Alrighty then, let's jump right into the magical world of face swapping. First, open up your browser and type in discord.com. I'll be using the browser version, but remember, you can also go for the desktop app and the mobile app if you prefer. So if you are using the browser version, then click on Open Discord in your browser. Once you are on the Discord, the first step is to create a server. In the left menu bar, click on Add a server. Then click on Create My Own, and then click on For Me and My Friends. Now here, enter a name for your server. You can also upload a profile picture if you want. Then click on Create. After you have got your server, the next move is to add the inside FaceSwap bot to your server. Just click on the invite link provided down in the video description. Once you have clicked on the invite link, you will be taken to this page. Now from this drop down, select your server and then click on Continue. Then click on Authorize. And then brace yourself for the ultimate test of proving that you are not a robot. Now go ahead and click on it to step right into the server. And then in the top right corner, click on Show Members List. So now you can see that we have successfully added FaceSwap bot into our server. First, let's give the AI a sample image of my face so it can learn how I look. This helps it later to place my face nicely on different images and in different styles. So in the prompt box, type /save ID and then click on this option. Now click on this icon to select the sample image and make sure to select the image with a clear face. And now here in the ID name, we will give it a name. So I'm going to write me and then hit enter. When you see ID name created, that means you're all set to start swapping face on various images. Just a heads up, remember your ID name because you will need it each time you want to do a face swap. Now let's see how to actually do a face swap. In the prompt box, type /, then type swap ID and click on this option, which is /swap ID. Now click on this option to select the image on which you want to swap your face. I'll go ahead and pick this image and then we can take a look at the results. Now type the ID name of the sample image. So I'll type me and then I'll press enter. As you can see, in just a 1 second, this tool replaced my face with the target image's face. And believe me guys, this tool has done an outstanding job with a 100% accuracy rate. I mean, this is 100% me, my face. This tool completely amazed me when I used it for the first time. You can also save multiple sample images with different ID names. To do so, type / then save ID and then select this option, then click on this icon and then select the sample image. Give it a ID name and then hit enter. As you can see that our second sample image has been also created. This means that we can save multiple sample images. Now let me spill the beans and share a few tricks with you to achieve those glorious 100% accurate results. Now these tips and tricks are as simple as pie and you will catch on in no time. Take a gender at my face here. You'll notice it's in an oval shape, right? So here's the magic move I pulled to get that 100% accuracy. I selected a target image with an oval shape, just like mine. So whenever you are picking a target image, make sure its shape matches the shape of your face. I trust you caught the drift. Now let me show you how you can use this tool with Midjourney or Blue Willow. In the right side menu, click on Explore Discoverable Servers. And then in the search bar, search for Blue Willow. So this is the tool we are looking for. Click on it. Then in the right sidebar you will see this Blue Willow bot. In case if this sidebar is not visible, click on this little icon. Now let's add this Blue Willow bot to our FaceSwap server. Click on it and small window will appear. Then click on Add to Server. Then in the drop down menu select the server. And then click on Continue and then click on Authorize. Verify if you are a human. After human verification, this small window will appear. Then click on this option to enter into the server. So now as you can see that in the right sidebar, the Blue Willow bot has been also added to the server. Now in the prompt box type / imagine and then enter your prompt. Then hit enter. Then it will give you 4 variations to choose from. Let's continue with the fourth one. Click on U4. By clicking on U4, you will get upscaled version of fourth image. Now let's swap face on this image. Right click on it and hover over to the apps and then click on InSwapper. And this is how you can also use Midjourney or Blue Willow. So this is it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support is immensely appreciated. Thank you for watching.